If you are tired of wasting time in organizing data, then, in just 10 minutes, I'll show you how you can master pivot tables. No fluff, no long talk. Let us make Excel do the hard work for you. Hi, I am Deepika and let's start today's topic. But before that, make sure that you have already subscribed to the channel. First, let's understand what exactly a pivot table is. A pivot table helps you summarize, analyze, explore, and present data in just a few clicks, without writing even a single formula. Now, let's create a pivot table together. Here is this data with me. It has 5 columns: date, region, product which we have sold, sales amount and the sold quantity. To create a pivot, first select to your data, go to Insert tab and select Pivot Table. Now the dialog box will ask you the place to create your pivot table. Choose the place like I am choosing next sheet within the SAM file, and now we have this another sheet. Now you just need to drag and drop the things in desired places. Today, let's analyze our product-wise sales in different region. Drop product in row section, sales in values section and region in columns. And here you have organized and summarized data. We can clearly see what amount of sales we have made in what region and which product has made what amount of sales. Please note here that pivot table summarize data by default using sum, but can be changed. Like here, I can change the calculation from sum to count and you can do much more. Now let me give you some real-world use cases of pivot table. First, we can use it to summarize sales by region like we did. Next, we can see count of products we have sold. Another thing, we can also see the average quantity per category, and this is not it. We can do so much more. Now let me show you some more cool tricks. You wanna filter data? Here you go, just drop the filter criteria in filter field. And you are done. You can also group the data according to their dates, month, or year. You can also go with any beautiful pivot table designs from here. Here, you can innumerable ready to apply designs in just a single click. So that's it for today. That's your crash course on pivot tables, no fluff, all value. Try this on your own data and see how powerful it is. And if you liked this, please check out the other videos on dashboard in Excel and in Power BI. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick, no-nonsense Excel tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning.